Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to add WhatsApp clipboard history into your toolbar. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply select a contact. I'm going to select this contact. Next thing you need to do is to click on this particular icon from the side button. So click on that. Open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on the keyboard. Open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on this icon. Then take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on your clipboard. Then you have it this way. Next thing you need to do is to click on show the clipboard on your tool. Click on that. And clipboard has been shown on your tool.